Looking for a fresh way to stay on track with your weight loss goals without feeling hungry? This chickpea cucumber salad is my go-to for a light yet satisfying lunch that actually tastes amazing. To begin, add 1 cup of well-drained boiled chickpeas to a bowl. These add plant-based protein and fiber, which help make the salad feel filling and satisfying. Next, add 1/2 large cucumber, chopped. If your cucumber is very watery, you can remove the seeds for extra crunch. Now add 1 medium chopped tomato. I like removing the extra seeds and juice so the salad stays fresh and crisp. Add 1/4 finely chopped red onion for color, crunch, and flavor. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander. This gives the salad a lovely fresh homemade taste. Now add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. This adds a little warmth and flavor to the salad. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Roasted cumin gives the salad a lovely savory taste and extra depth of flavor. Give everything a gentle mix until well combined. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I like adding the lemon juice at the end so the salad stays fresh and crisp. Add salt to taste. Give everything a gentle mix until well combined. And that's it, a colorful, fresh and filling chickpea cucumber salad. The chickpeas add plant-based protein and fiber, while the cucumber and tomato keep it light and refreshing. This is perfect for lunch, a healthy snack, or a simple meal when you want something quick, fresh and satisfying. If you love easy, healthy recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Creative Recipes. Thanks for watching.